Hello KS3, welcome to this week's assembly.
Welcome back to News Round, Season 3, Episode 2. I'm your host, Indy French, with the news for this week. Let's hop into this week's excellent news right away. Actually, I changed my mind. There is no news for today. I'm just a bit too tired to think of any for today, so I'll be seeing you guys later. I'm just joking. April Fool's Day is today, so get ready to get pranked by your friends, teachers, students, and family members. I think I must have fooled some of you guys out there watching. Here's this week's Fast Fire General Knowledge. Number 1. The world's longest place name is 85 letters long. Number 2. Bubble wrap was meant to be wallpaper. Number 3. Einstein's brain was stolen when he died. Number 4. Ironing clothes is an actual competitive sport. And number 5. A lifeboat drill was cancelled the morning of the Titanic tragedy. Even though this is a quite old story, it is not heard of that much and is really important. A gorilla named Coco learnt how to use human sign language to communicate with us. Her trainers taught her so much things, and Coco even managed to teach another gorilla called Michael sign language. Coco sadly passed away in 2018, but left behind one final message to humanity. I will play the clip now, and will also say goodbye now. So enjoy the clip, and see you next time on News Round.